Today, I will walk you through how to set up Bluetooth disarm on the 2 gig GC Touch security panel. Bluetooth disarm allows the system to automatically disarm from the armed away mode when an authorized user with a paired mobile device comes within range, making this a convenient, hands-free operation for the homeowner. First, you want to make sure the panel is disarmed since the settings cannot be accessed while the system is armed. From the home screen, tap the settings gear icon at the top right-hand corner. When prompted, enter the master code or the installer code. Next, tap User Management, then select Manage Users. Choose the user you want to enable for the Bluetooth disarm. In that user's profile, locate the Bluetooth disarm setting. If no device is paired, it will show as not set. Tap the edit icon next to Bluetooth disarm. This will open the pairing device screen. On the user's smartphone, enable Bluetooth and make sure the device is discoverable. The panel will scan for available devices. Give it a second, and the device will appear on the device list as shown. Once you find it, select it and then choose Submit. Make sure you choose this pairing option on the panel and also on the device. Once pairing is successful, the device will show next to that user under Bluetooth disarm. Repeat these steps for any user that will have Bluetooth disarm enabled. Just make sure you know it's only one device per user. To test this, arm the system to the away mode. And then make sure the device is at a Bluetooth range and you guys stay out of range longer than the Bluetooth timeout that's selected, which can be set for 1, 5, 10, or 30 minutes. After going through an entry-exit point, approach the panel with a paired phone. When the device is detected, the system will automatically disarm. A few important notes to consider: Bluetooth disarm is user-specific, so each user must pair their own device. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on the phone at all times for this feature to work. Congratulations! Now you know how to set up Bluetooth disarm on the 2 gig GC Touch panel. Thank you for your time, and have a nice day.